From the intricate patterns of biodiversity to the resilience of desert flora, the health of our rivers, and the impact of human activity, each sample tells a story. Join us in this special series as we explore how biological, geological, and archaeological samples help us uncover the connections that sustain life. The desert is a forbidding environment, low on water and full of extremes. Still, life thrives in surprising ways, with plants and animals having a range of adaptations to cope with living in such a harsh ecosystem. Among the plants are several that have been cherished for centuries for their role in providing food and medicine. These desert plants are not only vital to the environment, but also to the cultures that have long depended on them. Perhaps the most iconic species of the Sonoran Desert is the saguaro cactus. Ecologically, it serves many functions, from providing habitat for nesting species like the Gila woodpecker to offering shade for other animals. The saguaro produces large white flowers and red fleshy fruits, both of which are vital food sources. Pollinators, such as bats, bees, and birds, feed on the nectar of the flowers, while other animals, like birds, mammals, and insects, eat the fruit, helping to disperse the seeds throughout the desert. For humans, fruits were harvested during the summer months and used by indigenous peoples for making syrups and jams, while the cactus's water-storing capabilities also made it a crucial survival resource in times of drought. Although prickly pear has become an invasive species in some places, it was and still is a dietary staple in its native home. The pads, known as nopales, are rich in vitamins and used in a variety of dishes, while the fruits can be enjoyed fresh or in juices. Both pads and fruits have traditional medicinal applications, including treating wounds and aiding with digestive issues. The knowledge that certain plants have been used as food and traditional medicine comes from various types of evidence. Ethnobotany, the scientific study of the relationship between people and plants, reveals how traditional knowledge has harnessed the desert's botanical resources for sustenance and healing. Mesquite is a perfect example of a tree vital to desert ecosystems that have long been part of indigenous cultures. With its sweet pods, mesquite has been a cornerstone of desert diets. Ground into flour, these pods are rich in protein, while the tree itself supports the ecosystem. Mesquite has several important compounds, like tannins and alkaloids, that give it medicinal properties. For example, chewing on mesquite leaves or applying the powdered bark to the gums can help relieve a toothache. Tepary beans, another critical food resource for desert communities and resilient to drought, are rich in protein and iron. Their nutritional profile underscores a deep understanding of sustainable desert agriculture. Natural history collections serve as time capsules, preserving specimens that inform modern science and honor the legacy of desert communities. The desert is vibrant with a wealth of plants that have served as food and medicine to people for thousands of years. Each has its own story and significance. By learning about and respecting these plants, we honor the tradition and wisdom of those who have lived harmoniously with the desert for centuries.